Hey guys, it's Certified Esh and I'm back again with another video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this wild ash blonde. The first step in achieving this ash blonde wig is by bleaching the hair. Today I decided to use a brand called Blonde Brilliance. This product is known to lighten the hair up to 9 levels while leaving the hair nice and moisturized. It contains keratin to leave the hair healthy after going through this very intense bleaching process. You can find all these products at your local Sally's. Make sure you wear gloves while performing this. Next, part the hair into 4 sections. Make sure to grab small sections from each part when applying the product to get an even coverage. Once you're done, let the hair process for about 40 minutes. I wanted to see more lighter pieces in the front, so I decided to bleach only the top of the hair. Blue Flash by Salon Care is the lightener I chose to use for this step. This product helps to cancel out any brassiness. It is also located at Sally's. Now, using random sectioning, apply the bleach. This will help to get different levels of blonde. I didn't want the hair to come out too blonde, so I only used 30 Developer. So even though the hair at the top came out a little bit darker, I still wanted to keep it just to add some different tones to it. So I decided to pick random pieces to make lighter. I went in with zigzag sections and then I just added the lightener and bleach to it. I highly recommend aluminum foil to help speed up the process of the hair coloring. Okay, come through with the different tones. This is exactly what I was going for. Of course, this head does not want to stay in place. Finally, the moment we've all been waiting for, it's time to tone. We are going to tone this unit into a nice ash blonde using T18 from the Luella line. I'm going to use 2 bottles and use the 40 Developer just so it could be a little bit lighter. Again, all these products can be purchased at your local Sally's. Now apply the toner evenly throughout the hair. Make sure each piece is saturated. So I messed up, guys. One thing that I should have done was add a plastic bag or a plastic around my canvas head, because as you can see in the video, it's soaked. Do you see this? Do you see these tones? This is exactly what I was going for. Oh my god, so beautiful. It was so beautiful, but I definitely wanted to add more color to the front again, just to bring out more highlights. I'm all for the dimension. So what I did was just go back again with the bleach and for your developer, just to add more of the highlights that I was looking for. Ooh, she's so pretty. Ooh, she's so pretty. Let me know what you guys would like to see more of next time in the comments. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Also, follow me on Instagram and be on the lookout for my upcoming hair classes.